Welcome! In this short guide, we'll show you how to sign up for the Paxiom Knowledge Base and get access to your machine-specific resources. First, open your web browser and go to paxiom.com/service/. Scroll down and click Knowledge Base. On the login screen, select New User, sign up to create your account. Fill out the registration form with your first name, last name, and email, preferably a business email. Include your company name, city, state, and specify the machines you use. When you're done, click Sign Up. Your request goes through our vetting process. Approval typically takes 24 to 48 hours. Once approved, you'll receive a self-service portal invitation by email. Click Accept the invitation to create your password. You can log in right after setting your password, but machine-specific resources might not appear yet. Within 24 hours of approval, Paxiom staff assigns your machines to your profile, so you only see documentation relevant to your equipment. Once your machines are assigned, return to the knowledge base, log in, and access your dashboard. You now have full access. If you need help at any step, contact Paxiom support. Thanks for watching.